Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how to write CSS selector in Selenium WebDriver. Before proceeding, if you did not subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. What is CSS? It is cascading style sheet format. It is used to manage look and feel part of any kind of web page. And using CSS, we can control color of the text, style of the font, spacing between paragraphs, how columns are sized and laid out, and what background images or colors are used. And this is a developer's task. We are not going to do development of any web page, but we are going to use these CSS property for locating any web object. Agenda of this video will be about working with the element which is having static property and working with the object which is having dynamic properties or attribute. Let's start with our Eclipse where we are going to see various examples and syntax. So I'm already ready with my class with the 6 CSS syntax. Okay, so we are going to see CSS with the ID, CSS with the class name, CSS with the other attributes like name, type, value, CSS with the content, start with and end with. Last 3 are used for what purpose? Working with the object which is having dynamic property. Dynamic property means what? Some part of the locator like ID or name will be constant and other part will be dynamic. I will show you with example. I'm already open with the Rediff Mail create account page. So this is the password field. I will do inspection of this part. And here you can see property of password field, name equals to pass WD and some dynamic alphanumeric pattern. And if I do refresh, this pattern will change. You can see after refresh, last part of name is change. Okay, so this is a dynamic object. We can work with this dynamic object using last 3 syntax of CSS. Now we are going to start with the first syntax of the CSS, working with the ID using CSS properties. So before that, let's start the browser. System.setProperties is used for setting the path of executable driver. And here I need to set the path of my executable driver. Where is my driver? It is on desktop. Select Chrome driver folder, copy the path and paste inside Eclipse. And Chrome driver dot exe. So how to start a browser? I need to pass the reference of WebDriver, driver equals to new Chrome driver. I need to import WebDriver and Chrome driver with the help of Selenium package. And I need to open URL of Rediff Mail create account. So in the get, I need to pass the URL. I will provide this URL in the description of this video. It is on this. I will use this URL. Okay. So first is what? Using ID. So let's see which object is having ID. Let's see the create account. Okay. Create my account button having the ID. Now, how to use this? Driver dot find element by dot CSS selector. Here I need to use this syntax. What is the syntax says? Tag name hash ID. Tag name here you can see the tag name is input. Okay, tag name is input. So I will use input hash ID. You can see ID is this. So I will copy and paste here. And dot click. Let's run it whether it's working. Okay, so it has clicked on this create my account and some error message is came. Your full name cannot be blank. Okay, so that means it has successfully clicked on create my account. So I will close it. We have seen first syntax using ID. Now we are going to see using class name. I will copy this code and paste here. So I think so for this class is available submit btn. Tag name is input only and the class is what's submit btn. So what is the syntax is dot class name. Dot class name. I will comment above code and let's run it whether it's working or no. So again it has clicked successfully on the create my account That means our syntax is proper. So let's see the third one, which is using any other attribute like name, value, type. Okay, so we'll be working with the same object, that is create my account. Here you can see the value we are having create my account, and the tag name is what? Input only. So if you're using this third one, the syntax is little change. Driver dot find element by dot css selector. Here tag name is input only, and square bracket value equals to, in the single quote you need to pass create my account. See, create my account exactly. I copied. It is having this greater than symbol as well. And what you want to do? You want to do click operation. I will comment. Let's run it. It has clicked on create my account. That means our locator is working fine using class name. I will click on OK and close it. So let's comment that this one. Now we are going to see CSS with the contains. Contains means what? It is not going to match with the whole property. It is going to be matched with the some part of the property. That property can be in the start, it can be at end, it can be in the middle, anywhere. We will take example on create my account button. Here I am interested to click on object which contains my as a value. Here it will not check with the complete value. Here it will check whether the my is present in the complete value. Okay, so how it can be fulfilled? Let's see. Driver dot find element by dot css selector. Here tag name is input, square bracket, and value star means contains equals to, in single quote, my, and followed by the operation that you are interested to do, dot click. Let's run it. See, it has clicked successfully on create my account. That means our locator is working fine. Now let's see the second last. Here we are going to use start with. For start with, we have various options available here on Rediff. Since properties like first name or password having dynamic property, you can see name equals to pass WD, this much is constant, and other part is what? Changing. If I do refresh, you will get the little idea. You can see after refresh, last part of name is change. Here you can use CSS with the start with, but CSS with the contains will also work here. Reason, contains works for start also, end also, and middle also, but start will only check starting part. So start part is going to check only start part. It is not going to check the middle part or end part, but contains will check all three: start, end, and middle. Fine. So we are going to use here start with. I will copy this pass WD from here, and here name equals to pass WD we are going to use. And in spite of what star, we are going to use this symbol. It's not value, it's a name. Name equals to pass WD. So we are not going to do click operation. We are going to do send keys, and the send key is ABC. Now let's run it. The tag name is input only. You can see here tag name is input only. Let's run it. It should run successfully. See, it has passed the password here. That means our CSS with the start with is working fine. So let's see the last one, which is for what? Ends with. And the syntax of ends with is what? Here we did mistake here. So it is $. Fine. Now we are going to work with again on this create my account. You can see value equals to create my account. Here I want to use ends with CSS selector, and I will try to find this button using ends with value accounts greater than symbol. Okay, so we can use ends with here. dollar symbol, and it's not name, it's a value. And you are not going to do send keys, you are going to do click operation. Let's run it. So again, it has clicked successfully on the create my account. Our CSS with ends with is working fine. We have seen the 6 CSS syntax that includes CSS with the ID, class name, other attribute like value, contains with also, starts with, and ends with. So these are 6 CSS syntax that is mostly used in the industry. So this much is for this video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you did not subscribe, and like this video. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.